Are you having trouble with your Facebook account and you need to contact Facebook support live chat? If so, this is the video you're going to want to check out. I'm going to show you how to make sure that you get to a live chat representative to help you with whatever issue you've got going on with your Facebook ad account. Take a look. Hey everyone, Kevin Smullin with 2Q Lead Generation Strategies. If you're new to our channel, welcome. What we're all about is helping real estate agents just like you generate more leads, set more appointments, and close more deals. A lot of that doing a lot of that with Facebook marketing. So if you're interested in more transactions, appointments, this is the place to be. Please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here as part of our community. One quick note before we get into the content of today's video, down in the description below, you'll see a link to our 2-hour Facebook Masters class. It is our best practices of everything we've learned about how to generate leads, turn those into appointments, and close more deals. So it's a free 2-hour class. Make sure you go check that out. Time well spent. Now, like I said, in today's video, what we're going to be talking about is how to contact Facebook support their live chat. Now, keep in mind, because they want to keep live chat to a minimum, they do everything they can to try and resolve your issue before it gets to live chat. So realize there are a couple hurdles. I'm going to show you how to kind of shortcut and bypass some of those issues so you can get your issues resolved. Now, one of the things I do highly recommend is a lot of times you might be facing issues that you can resolve on your own. YouTube is a fantastic option. There's lots of videos like this one that I'm going to show you that'll show you lots of tutorials and lots of ways of fixing different problems. I have I have videos on my channel that talk about how to resolve issues where your ad account has been shut down, where ads have been rejected, all kinds of different troubleshooting type things. So if you're running into some of those issues, highly recommend using YouTube. Videos like ones I've done as well as other people out there. There's great solutions out there that might be able to help you resolve your issue a little faster than contacting Facebook. So if all else fails and you do need to contact Facebook, let me go ahead and show you how that's done. So what you want to do is you want to go to the ad account that's in question where you're having some issues. When you're there, down here in the bottom corner, there's this little circle with a question mark. If you hover over it, it says help. And when you click on that, you're going to notice this little pop-up menu over here on the side. Once you do that, there's this option. They're going to recommend some articles to try and help you fix what's the problem. You can search for what it is you're having issues with. But if you want to go straight to the live support, there's this option right here that says contact support team. When you click on that, it's going to pre-fill in the ad account that you're on. That's why you want to go to the ad account you're having issues with first, is so that it will automatically give them the ad account, the number that you're having issues with. There they have a drop-down menu. You can kind of pick what it is that you're having an issue with. So let's just say your ad account got disabled. And then with that, you'll notice that it now says troubleshoot. It'll give you a recommended article to try and help you solve what it is that you're dealing with so that they can resolve your issue without having to take a person's time to do it. And then I'll turn my camera off so you can see. And then down here, there's an option that says, yeah, that still didn't work. Let's go ahead and contact support. So when you contact support, it just says, how would you like to get help? You can enter your name, your phone number, a message about what's going on. You can include a screenshot. And you'll notice that once you fill out that stuff, the start chat option will be available. So once you've got this filled out, now it's available. You can click on Start Chat, and that will get you over to Messenger, where you'll start receiving messages from people. Now, that doesn't completely solve your problem. I don't want to do it for real because I don't want to get into the help queue and actually have somebody jump onto the chat. So I'm going to show you a history of what happens. Once you hit that Start Chat button, it's going to flip over and you're going to get a message like this. It'll say, hi, your name, we're here to help. Sounds like you need help with blank topic, and then it's going to recommend what it thinks, what it is it thinks you're having problems with. Now, again, this is still automated. This is not a live person that can help you. So if you want to bypass this and go to the live person, type in help. Just type in, even though that isn't one of the options, just go down here to the bar where you would type in a message, type help, hit the button, hit enter. And then you're going to get this automated message that says, we recognize you're typing a message, but because these are automated, we only support direct replies. Type help again, and that's when the system recognizes, oh, okay, they need an actual person. So the key to getting to a live technician, just type help. You'll get an automated message that says they don't recognize it. Type help again, and then as you see, that's when the Facebook person jumps in, and then you can start having a conversation about what it is that's going on. So that would be what I have found to be the best way to jump into Facebook live chat support. So feel free to use that. I know this is a short video, but just wanted to get this out there. I've had a lot of people have questions about something going on their account, and it's something that they can't fix. They need help, and that's the easiest way that I've found to get help. So with that, hopefully that was helpful. If so, take a split second, click that thumbs up button down below. We appreciate that support. That helps us tremendously, and again, it's kind of payment, so to speak, for the content that we create, so we appreciate that. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do. Click that little subscribe button, also the bell notification. You'll be notified every time we put out brand new content, and we put out new content like this every single week. Also, if you want to find out more about our done-for-you marketing services, make sure you check out the description down below. You'll see a link to our website that'll allow you to get more information about that. Also, I'll put up a couple videos right here that you can use to keep learning more techniques and more strategies to grow your business. And with that, we are done. Make it a great week. Keep crushing it with your real estate business. If we can help, let us know. Otherwise, we will talk to you soon. Take care.